Hi guys, Camden with Pruett Family Farm. So we got a new water thing by Farm Tuff. It's a 5-gallon, and I'm really happy because our old one's crappy. So, yes, delicious. Alright. So, while we wait for that to fill up, we're just gonna watch it first. Let's see if our chickens like it. Also, when you get a new water thing, it takes them a minute just for them to get used to it. Because they don't know, like, what is that? I'm used to that. Like, that's our old water. But now this is our new, so. Looking at it. But you're going to
look, maybe. Nope. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, come on, girl. There's literally water. There you go, right there. Nope.
Oh, they're curious. They're curious. They're curious, George.
Come on, there you go. Go. Oh my gosh. Girl, there's literally water right up there. We have a winner.
And we have a winner! Woo-hoo! They have gotten used to it after 30 minutes.
It's been a while. See, it just takes one and then they all get it.
Our chickens have now gotten used to the water. Only one girl just took a little sip, and then every single girl just started gathering around being like, we love water. So, yeah, that's all I have to say, really. We're glad they loved it. So now, good thing they got used to it. It took like 30 minutes, so. See ya. Be back with Pruett Family Farm.